If Discord is showing error 9000, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it, step by step. This issue is often caused by a bad plugin, corrupted cache files, or a broken Discord installation. So we're going to handle each possible cause in the safest order. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. All right, let's get straight into it. First, we're going to start with better Discord plugins, because that is one of the most common reasons Discord crashes or throws an unexpected error like this. Completely close Discord first. Don't just minimize it. Make sure it is fully closed. Check your system tray and your task manager to confirm there are no Discord processes still running in the background. Now press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run dialog box. Type %appdata% and press Enter. This will take you to your app data roaming folder. Inside here, look for the Better Discord folder. Make sure you open the folder itself and not the Better Discord installer. Once you're in the Better Discord folder, open the Plugins folder. At this point, you have two options. If you want to test whether a plugin is causing the problem, move all of the files out of the Plugins folder to another location temporarily. That disables every plugin without permanently deleting them. If you already know a specific plugin is causing the issue, or if you want to fully clean things up, you can delete the plugin files instead. After that, relaunch Discord and check whether error 9000 is gone. If the problem is still there, the next thing we're going to do is clear Discord's cache. This helps remove corrupted temporary files that can stop Discord from loading correctly. Again, make sure all Discord processes are fully terminated before you continue. Press Windows key and R once more, type %appdata%, and press Enter. Find the Discord folder and delete it. Don't worry, this does not remove your account, but it does clear stored app data that may be causing the error. After that, press Windows key and R again, this time type %localappdata%, and press Enter. Find the Discord folder there as well, and delete it too. Once both folders are removed, restart your computer. This step is important because it clears out anything left running in memory and gives Discord a fresh start when it launches again. After your PC restarts, open Discord and see if the issue is fixed. If you still get Discord error 9000 after removing plugins and clearing cache, then the final step is a clean reinstallation. This is the best option when the Discord app files themselves are damaged or incomplete. First, uninstall Discord completely from your system. Then, go to the official Discord website and download the latest version directly from there. Avoid third-party download sites, because you always want to reinstall from the official source for safety and compatibility. After reinstalling, sign back in and test Discord again. In most cases, one of these three steps will fix the issue: removing Better Discord plugins, clearing the cache, or doing a clean reinstall. If the error was caused by a broken plugin or corrupted local files, Discord should now open normally. If this video helped you fix Discord error 9000, please hit the like button so more people can find this solution, and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. And if you're still having issues, leave a comment below and I'll try to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.